everyone, this is Amy. Welcome today to my channel. Today I have my palette laid out with all the colors that I'm going to use, and I will be placing all the supplies down below the video and also within the video, so look for that information there. Please know that you can use whatever colors you want, whatever brushes you have. Do not feel the need to buy what I'm using, just so that you know. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I am going to begin by using number 12 one-stroke brush, and this is going to be a bud, so I'm going to stick one side into the white, one side into the, I think it's berry wine. Again, I'll have it down below. And I'm just going to make a little bud here. Sorry, trying to get above this. Alright, and this is just going to be a type of a petal where I just push it down, pull it around, and then come back up. So push it down, pull it around, come back up on the chisel edge. Sorry, I keep hitting the camera stem. And do it again, and do it again here. And maybe another bud here. Also, when I'm painting, and I forgot to mention this, I am a left-handed person, so if it feels like the way I'm doing it isn't natural to you, do it the opposite direction, because then that will actually probably make more sense to you. Alright, so got a few buds. I'm going to leave it with 3. Maybe even put another one down here off to the side. And I'm sorry if you hear chirping in the video. I have little animals here with me. And here we go. Using a bigger brush for the next one. And this is the number 16. Alright, so then I'm going to create another flower. And you just kind of go around. If you're able to switch hands, that's fine. If you're not, that's fine too. Or switch directions, not hands, I'm sorry. Like that. I'll do another one. Now, in this situation, you could actually flip it around and use the opposite color. I know I've mentioned this in some of my videos about doing this to make maybe the design a little more interesting. And then I'll do the darker color on the outside this way. And make sure that I'm in the video here. These are just very easy. Sorry about that, guys. They're normally not this chatty. Alright, so then I'm going to take my number 12 Artdone nail brush. I'm going to stick it into these 2 different colors, the brown and the yellow ochre. And I'm just going to come through here and tap in a center. Maybe even tap in some white there so it shows up a little bit better. These are just easy. I mean, you can work with these as much as you want to make them the colors that you want them to be. It's up to you. Put a little more brown in this one. So they kind of remind me of little kids when you get on the phone. Nobody needs anything until you're on the phone. And like I said, I'm just putting a few little dots. I like to have a little bit more brown in these. And it would probably work better too if I wasn't doing wet on wet. Alright, so I'll put that aside. Then I'm going to get out my favorite, which is one of the longer bristles, is a number 25. I really like the 20 and the 25 millimeters. And I'm going to go into my greens. I have 3 different greens. And then I can tap into yellow too if I want. I'm just going to have these all come together. These little stems. And I like them being different colors. It doesn't matter. You can do more stems if you want. I'm not really too worried about it. So I'll do 3 because I have the 3 or bigger flowers. You guys are really chatty today. Alright, and then with having the buds like these, I can go up around them, come down, however you want to. I'll come down right now because my brush keeps hitting the metal piece that's holding it on, holding the camera. However you want to do it, you know, make it your own, as I always say. I don't like people to have to do exactly what I'm doing. That's really not even, you know, in question really. Okay, so with this bigger brush, it's a 3/4, I'm going to do some leaf work. And I'm just pushing it into all the different colors and then blending it. And then we'll just do some light little leaves. Again, you can always mix it up if you want. These are very simple. Just pull them up, pull them back. Great way to practice leaves is on a piece of wax paper or glass, something you can clean off and just keep moving however you want to. And we'll put one up here. Sorry guys, it's kind of hard the way it's angled. Alright, and then if you want, only if you want, and I know I did this in my last one, I'm going to kind of use this brush I've already used, but I'm going to put it into the greens And then, actually I could even put a little bit of that in there. Kind of just makes it look a little different. But just use like some filler leaves. These are just so easy to do. Sorry about all the chattering. Now I know that they'll be noisy. And just wherever you see, like I said, I can get a little crazy with the leaves. I'm going to go ahead then and go back with my nail brush, and then I'll just go ahead and put some stems in here, just, you know, connecting the leaves to the stems, I should say. Do the same thing with that. Just bring it in. And come up here, come over here. Let's be kind of whimsical with it. And if you want, you could even come back in here with this brush, put some light on it, and if you want some of these areas that you know, come in here and put some little green little stems coming out, you know, just dot them with some color. It just kind of adds a little bit more dimension to your painting. And it can be kind of a filler if you want. Maybe even think of it like baby's breath or something. If you don't like this, just leave it out. Not a biggie. Alright, and there you have it. Pretty easy. Pretty easy. And if you're new to my channel, please know that my designs are meant to be easy for the beginner painter, so that you feel the confidence you can to actually do one of these designs, to sit down and practice. If you have any questions or comments, please place those down below. Again, thanks for your patience in dealing with the chatter behind me. I will be doing a light sound bath in the background, so I hope you enjoy that as well. Until the next time, please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your family and friends. I would appreciate it. And you have a good one, and stay safe and healthy. See you next time.